So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take your audio file that you created in Audacity of your test questions, load it up to your Google Drive, and then share it with your students. So I'm going to open Google Chrome and go to Google Drive, and basically I'm going to click on New, File Upload, and then I'm going to click where I saved it on my desktop. I'm going to scroll down, find test questions. So this is my audio file, and if I hover over it, you're going to see it says MP3 file. And this, if I hover here, that was my Audacity project file. So remember, I saved it as a project first so that I could come back to it and add to it. And then I saved it ultimately as an MP3. So that's the one I want to upload to Google. So I'm going to click open, and that's going to upload. It probably shouldn't take, look, there it is. It was super quick. So there it is. I am going to click on it to open it, and you will see that I can play it. And as you can see, it's playing it right now. What I want to do is I want to share this with the students that need it. So then in my next video, I'm going to show you how to actually have the students log into their Google Drive and receive this or get it so that they can listen to it. So after I have uploaded it, I'm going to come right over here onto my three little dots here, and I'm going to click on share, and I am going to type in the email addresses of the students who I'm going to share it with. I am just going to share it with somebody that I know is in this class. So Daniel, you're it. There you are. And then I would continue to share it with all the other students. And I'm going to click send. So check out the next video where I'm showing you on the iPad as a student how I would get that and listen to it.